Well, guys, it was something that was supposed to be like, I figured it'd take a couple hours to do. Took all freaking day. Now, it took me forever to get this thing lined up perfectly the way I wanted it on each side. But now, as you can see there previously in the video, the drain plugs line up like they're supposed to. And there's a little drain spout right here, so when you drain the drop boxes, it comes out right here and goes into the pan, which is kind of nice. I had to modify these really heavily, but I did have enough brackets and whatnot and hardware just laying around so that I could do it. I don't think the brackets are going anywhere. They're normally attached with from what I can tell from reading the manuals and stuff, they're normally attached with 9/16 hardware, but I upgraded it to 1/2 inch. I made sure to leave a space all the way around the drop boxes, so if there is an impact, it won't shock the drop box. So there's at least 1/4 of an inch of space all the way around it. But like I said, it took forever to get everything lined up the way I liked it, and that was what took the majority of the day. I probably spent 3 hours dilly-dallying around with that to get it fixed. But hey, they're in. Another part of the project is down, and that should provide some protection to those fragile drop boxes that are, well, the whole thing is made out of aluminum. Drop boxes and the bucket, so I'm pretty stoked I got that done. Did have a casualty today when I was working out here. I didn't catch it on camera, but this cast iron vise blew apart. This is not good. That was Willow's project that she was working on. But man, things are coming together, guys. I'm getting excited. Are you guys getting excited too? Let me know what you think. Leave some comments down in the comment section. That helps this channel grow, and it helps me out. If anything, even if you just say, hey, I liked it, or good job, or thumbs up, or you leave a smiley down there, that really helps my channel grow. So, but I think that's probably going to be it today, guys. Since this took so long, longer than I thought it would, I'm kind of pressed for time to get some other things done, so I gotta head off and do those, and of course edit all this video footage. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you like seeing that I included a lot of the failures today. I try to be as transparent as possible when working on vehicles and whatnot. I don't try to hide anything, so maybe you'll learn from it and you won't do it, or maybe you'll be hard-headed like me and keep trying to do it that way. But other than that, guys, I hope you're staying safe. And as always, take care of each other, and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.